As many healthcare businesses know, the phasing out of traditional POTS phone lines presents a real challenge for businesses looking to replace their critical communications, like faxes. At Virtual PBX, we're proud to offer a solution that does more than just replace these lines. Our POTS replacement solution includes redundant connectivity over LTE and Ethernet networks, improving your reliability for these critical channels. Speaking of reliability, our built-in compliance includes HIPAA, elevator safety, and other protocols, especially relevant in the healthcare environment. Whether sending faxes or connecting gate, elevator, safety, or other phones, the POTS replacement solution from Virtual PBX can have you up and running in no time. We can even send a team to handle installation on site for you. To learn more, give us a call or visit us at virtualpbx.com.